In this video, I'll show you how to verify your age on Roblox. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. Verifying your age unlocks additional features and experiences on Roblox, so it's worth setting up. If you're using the Roblox mobile app, tap More in the bottom right corner. On a computer, click the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, open Settings. Next, select Account Info, then scroll down to the Personal section and find your birthday. Here you'll see the option to verify your age using either a government-issued ID or a selfie. For the most accurate verification, choose the ID option. Tap Continue, then select the country where your ID was issued and choose the type of document you're using, such as a driver's license, passport, or national ID card. You can complete the verification on your current device or use another device. If you choose another device, Roblox will display a QR code. Simply open the camera on your phone, scan the QR code, and tap the link that appears. After opening the verification page, tap Continue, select your ID type, and allow camera access. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your ID, then complete the facial verification by following the prompts. Once everything has been verified successfully, you'll see a verified message, confirming that your Roblox age verification is complete.